Hello everyone, my name is Anna Redmond and I'm here to talk about Infinut. This is a re-recording of the presentation I did for MIT Forum Demo Day, which we won. We build educational apps for kids. So far, we have 9 published apps for kindergarten to 2nd grade kids in math, science, and reading. There's lots of educational apps available, but most of those are either informational apps or testing apps, not learning apps. Let me show some examples. This is an informational app. It's for rote memorization, but it doesn't explain anything. This is a testing app. It's for testing what kids have already learned, but it's not going to teach them anything new. This is another app in which kids have to solve some equations to earn points so that they can play a game. Not only does this not teach anything, it makes learning seem even less appealing in contrast to the game. We don't build these types of apps. We build apps that go back to the basics for learning. This was the inspiration for my first app. When I taught my kids how to add and subtract, I used what was handy, Cheerios in a bowl. To explain what 2 plus 2 meant, I would ask them to put 2 Cheerios in the bowl and then add 2 more Cheerios. And then count the total number of Cheerios in the bowl to figure out what 2 plus 2 is. I wasn't just teaching them the answer of 2 plus 2, I was teaching them the concept of addition. And it worked really well. And this is what became one of the games in kindergarten math.
Put 1 joules in the box. Add 5 more joules. Count the joules in the box. This is 1 plus 5. Press the amp. Excellent.
As the kids do these exercises, they learn the concepts. As my daughter grew, the concepts I taught her changed, but the teaching technique stayed the same, visual and interactive. So for fractions, we use pieces of a pie.
1/2 of the pie. That's 1 out of every 2 equal pieces. Awesome.
To add or subtract large numbers, the kids move place value grids.
Move 1s and 10s to show the difference of 48 minus 22. Subtract the 1s. 8 minus 2. Subtract the 10s. 40 minus 20. Read the place value grids to find the answer. Awesome!
The kids have to show the answer, not just know the answer. In 2nd grade math, we teach more concepts. Equations, multiplication, division, regrouping. Let me show division using fair share.
Share 25 jelly beans among 5 monkeys equally. How many jelly beans did each monkey get? This is 25 divided by 5. Press the answer. Awesome!
I don't know, a kid who doesn't know the meaning of fair share. For science, we teach measurements. Let me show length.
How long is the pencil? Open the tape to measure. Read the tape value at the dotted line to find the answer. Awesome!
In all of these exercises, the kids have to do something to discover the answer, not just click a multiple choice button. For learning to read, we help kids identify sounds in words and associate them to letters. Let me show an example.
Drag the objects into the box that contain the sound ball, dolphin, blimp, bike, tent, shark, bubbles, Select the box that shows whether you hear the sound at the beginning, middle, or end of the word. Boy, bird, web,
When I first started building these apps, I wasn't quite sure if anyone else was interested in this kind of deep, practical, conceptual learning. But I heard from a lot of people that it really helps. This is a review from a parent who was surprised that learning itself is so engaging. Her son wanted to keep going. This is from a parent whose child was having a hard time with place values, but after playing first grade math, she was getting it. This is a review from a parent who is having a frustrating time teaching her kid to use a tape measure, but playing measurement science sparked her interest. This is from a first grade teacher who uses kids' phonics in her classroom, and the kids love it. To sum it up, we have 9 interactive learning apps, each with several games, published in Google Play, Amazon, and Nook markets. Each of the apps has a light and a paid version. There are very few people who build apps that truly help kids learn. Because we do, our apps have been downloaded more than 1 million times. Thank you.